Kinoronahan bilang bagong Reyna de Bacolor 2025 ang pambato ng Barangay Dolores na si Iris Chanel Manalo dahil sa kahanga-hangang ganda, talino at husay na kanyang ipinamalas sa entablado ng Don Honorio Ventura State University Gymnasium sa Bacolor, Pampanga nitong Sabado, February 8. Bagamat 21 candidates ang naglaban-laban, stand out ang beauty and grace ni Manalo suot ang kanyang black and white gown. Umaapaw rin ang kanyang confidence at husay sa pagrampa na naging dahilan upang maiuwi niya ang Best in Evening Gown Award. Sa final question and answer portion, ipinakita ni Manalo ang kanyang talino sa pagsagot nang tanungin siya kung ano ang pinakamahalagang katangian ng isang Bacolorenya para maging karapat-dapat sa corona. At ang kanyang winning answer,
"Beyond beauty, I believe a deserving one to win the crown is someone who can give a significant impact to her community and to the humanity, and most especially someone who knows how to look back to where she came from. Therefore, I put in myself that no matter the distance is, my feet remains in Bacolor, that building for who I am right now." Thank you.
Bukod sa corona, Hakot Awards din si Manalo dahil nasungkit niya ang Best in Evening Gown, Best in Swimsuit, Best in Local Costume, Miss Photogenic, Miss Nuwan Farm, at ang Miss Telegenic Award ng CLTV 36. Samantala, itinanghal naman bilang first runner-up at embahadora de turismo si Angelo Eclarinal ng Concepcion. Second runner-up at embahadora de Caridad si Christine Joy Lapid ng Tinajero. Third runner-up naman si Patricia Joy Villagracia ng Potrero, habang fourth runner-up si Regine Cunanan ng San Antonio. Naging hurado sa pageant ang mga kilalang personalidad at experts sa larangan ng pageantry and tourism, kabilang sina Universal Woman Philippines 2025 Alessandra Isabel Eugenio, Mr. of Filipinas 2024 first runner-up Aya Nabad Santos, former Secretary of Eastwoods Professional College of Science and Technology Maria Cecilia Sison, Mr. of Filipinas 2024 Fitness Supermodel World Denver Argana, runway coach na si Ian Mendahar, Provincial Tourism Officer of Pampanga Michael Castañeda, at si Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024 Jasmine Bungay. Raymond Tasoy, CLTV 36 News.